Yamo back with another video, and today we're going to reacting to Bruce finally getting his 100k plaque. Let's get right into it.
I know we just moved in like 2
What
months. Now
happened?
we're getting kicked out. So please come with us to find a new place. And please don't ask me why we were kicked out. It's because of sin. It's because of this. It's a noise complaint. They're playing too much King's House and then just go on us out.
What? Playing what?
It's because of this. It's a noise complaint. They're playing too much King's House and then just go.
A noise complaint now you got kicked out is crazy.
Because we young rich niggas, but then we're gonna get a new place. Come find this place with us. Yeah, guys, things happen, guys. We young rich niggas in a gated community, man. What else can we do? I think we have to like move into a place where there's no neighbors. Actually, no. Which neighbors are complaining? Let's buy their house.
That's crazy.
We'll buy this house. Buy another one. Bigger. Okay, so guys, something came. Something came from the mail. Something came from the mail, guys. Something that we've all been waiting for. Shout out to YouTube. Shout out to the journey that we've been on. Something came from the... No one man should have all the power. The clock's ticking, just count the hours. So I'm gonna unbox it with you. I actually got an appointment with one of my boys, a photographer. I'm gonna unbox it with him and take a few snaps for IG. Cause we up.
Yeah.
We up. The department.
W100k subs.
I'm already late, guys. So let us go. Let us go and unbox. Okay, so guys, right now I'm in Sanson. This is the outfit for the day, because I'm a super striker. Shouts, my baby, for real. Yeah, facts. This bitch say, yeah, I hear you. So guys, right now we're on top of the world, man. Top of Juba, in Southern Africa, bro. For real. So it's only right. It's only right that we do this here. So right now we're about to unbox. Yeah, facts. Yeah. Facts, man. Yeah. You see the whole. We can have you sitting here. Yeah. Have the lights here. I think this is my favorite. This is my favorite scenery. This one, yeah. Okay. Actually. Definitely hit it. I like this one. Just the same as others. Always. What do you think about this side? I fuck with this one. Nah. Obviously, we can take multiple shots and then. Yeah. So hey, the Grammys are about to go crazy. Always. Let me shine. Let me operate the unboxing. See what's going on. It's only right to do it here. Yo. On the top of the world. Top of the game.
Shout out 100k to Bruce, bruh. Yo, I've been wondering where's the plaque. Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm so excited. You know, working hard, bruh. The department deserves this. The department deserves this. This is fragile.
Yo.
Congratulations on your subscriber. Hey, we out here. Do you remember your first subscriber? As too fire. Shout out to YouTube. This is super fire, man. YouTube CEO. Shout out to you. This is how it looks. This is all this saying, hey guys. You know, it feels so great, man.
Yeah.
When you finally get this, it feels super great. Shout out to y'all. Like for real. Now it's time for the gold one.
It's small, but yeah, means a lot.
We up, we up. We too up,
Yes.
Too up. Shout out to the department.
Congratulations to the boy, man.
Shit done changed. It's like I don't matter, can go through my veins. It's a rap, tell them go pack up their things. I'm get euros and chop off the range. Skirt. I know they copy, they impersonate. They just came me like me, let me demonstrate. I put up, make that shit shake, I'm an earthquake. You niggas don't show up on the richer scale. I'm with the winners at. And these products shades different, they really show me where the money at. I'm the real reason that niggas moving their shoulders and calling me slut when they see me. That's something to think about. The original, straight from the horse's mouth. If you bitch him and fuck it, we close him out. That was quiet all year and they talking now. Fuck it, I'll tell you. Go against me, it's no problem, I dare you. Ain't that to a bitch, but I'm This is what we've been working towards, guys. But now it's time to change the color from silver to gold. The job is not done. Shout out to the department. Wow. The job is not done. Got this. All thanks to you. Okay, so guys, we just finished like the unboxing. I won't even lie.
Shout out to Bruce for 100K. Here we have my 1,000 subscribers. So better subscribe, bro. Road to 10K. Yeah, bro. Click these videos on screen right now to see what I do more. If you enjoy more of my content from me, Yamo. Skadoosh.